16 billion passwords, yes, you heard that right, have just been leaked in what could be the largest credential breach in history. Google accounts, Apple IDs, Facebook logins, bank portals, game accounts, you name it, it might be exposed right now. This isn't just another data leak story. This breach affects nearly every major platform you use. And while some of the credentials are old, many are still active, valid, and dangerously vulnerable. It's like a giant recycling bin of previously leaked data, but here's the kicker. Many of these logins still work, and hackers know exactly how to exploit them. Here's where things get really scary. If you reuse passwords across platforms, and over 60% of users do, a hacker only needs one of your passwords to unlock your entire digital life. So, let's say your email was hacked from, an old shopping website. If that same email and password combo works on your Netflix, Gmail, or PayPal, well, you're exposed. Period. And honestly, it's not just your entertainment accounts. Banking, crypto wallets, healthcare portals, even your smart home settings could all be just one breach away from compromise. Dr. Arun Vishwanath, a cybersecurity researcher and former university professor, is urging everyone to take this seriously. His words, "We are the line of defense. No organization can do it for us." So, here's what Dr. Vishwanath recommends you do immediately. First, stop reusing passwords. Every single account really needs a unique, strong password. Next, turn on multi-factor authentication wherever possible, especially for your email, banking, and social media accounts. Also use a password manager. Tools like Bitwarden, 1Password, and Dashlane can generate and store passwords securely for you, and regularly monitor your accounts. Look out for any strange activity, like logins from unusual locations, unexpected notifications, or password reset requests. Now let's walk through exactly what you can do right now to lock your digital doors and windows. Step 1. Visit haveibeenpwned.com. Check if your email or passwords have been exposed in any known breaches. Step 2. Change passwords for your high-value accounts. Start with your email, bank, cloud storage, and social media. Seriously, do not delay. Alright, so step 3. Enable two-factor authentication on every platform you use. Seriously, don't skip this. Use authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, not just those text message codes. Now step 4. Download a password manager. These tools can store, generate, and even autofill unique passwords for you. It's honestly way safer than relying on your memory or, that sticky note on your desk. And finally, step 5. Upgrade to Passkeys if it's available to you. Services like Google, Apple, and Microsoft are all moving toward passwordless logins using biometrics or device-based authentication. This really is the future, and it's so much more secure. We often think cybersecurity is the government's job, or maybe our tech provider's job, but honestly, in today's world, you are your own first line of defense. So, think of your passwords as keys. If you're using the same key for your house, your car, your office, and your gym locker, well, you see the problem. This breach is your wake-up call. You have the tools, now you have the knowledge. Don't wait for the hackers to knock. Change your locks today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for weekly digital defense tips and breaking cybersecurity news. And if you want complete mastery of GRC, governance, risk, and compliance, check out the free training linked below. Learn how to protect not just yourself but your organization too. Stay safe, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next video.